Hello, honey. I'm Nanny Julie. Nice to see you. Today we're gonna draw a cute sunflower. Don't forget to subscribe my channel and you won't miss my new lesson. Now let's look at the picture. Our sunflower has flower cone, petals, stem, leaves, and flower pot. Let's look at the picture one more time. Flower cone, petals, stem, leaves, and flower pot. Now let's start drawing. Choose spot on your paper you like. I will start over here on the top of the paper and draw a circle. Come around, come back, up to the top and connect it. Then let's draw another circle inside this circle. Now let's draw petals. Draw upside down this shape on the top of the flower. Then let's draw the same shape on the bottom. Then let's draw the same thing on the left side, on the right side, in the upper right side, in the upper left side. Wow, I like your line. Keep on drawing. In the lower left side and in the lower right side. V shape. Then let's draw the same thing between these petals. Then let's draw small V shape between these petals around the flower. Oh, I like your petals. Now let's draw the cute face. Draw 2 dots for eyes, U shape in the middle for smile, and 2 little circles for blush under the eyes. Now let's draw the stem. Draw 2 vertical lines under the flower cone. Then let's draw the flower pot. Draw 2 horizontal lines under the stem. Then connect them on the left side and on the right side with curves. Draw 2 diagonal lines. Then connect them. And let's add ribbons. Draw 2 horizontal lines in the middle of the flower pot. Then 2 water drop shape and curve here and here. Now it's time to draw the leaves. Draw a curve to the right and connect it to the beginning. That's the way I like your line. Draw a diagonal line inside and small diagonal lines over here. Now let's draw the same step on the left side. A curve to the left and connect it to the beginning. Long diagonal line inside and short over here. Then let's add arcs around this shape. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, and 15. Our drawing is almost ready. It remains only to color it. You can ask your parents to share your finished masterpiece to Instagram. Tag me in photo Nanny Julie Art. Also, you can download and print my free coloring page. All links in the description under the video. Now let's color it together. You can choose any color you like. I choose brown for flower cone. Tracing. Try to stay inside the lines. If it's hard for you, it's okay. Don't give up. Keep on trying. You can do it. Then I choose pink for blush, tracing and coloring inside, tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose orange for this part of sunflower, tracing and coloring inside. Then I choose light brown for this part of sunflower and add some shadows. Then I choose yellow for petals. Try to stay inside the lines. I choose dark yellow for these petals and add some shadows. Then I draw a loopy line around the flower cone. Now I choose green for stem and leaves. And dark green for shadow. Add some spot over here on the bottom of the leaves and stem. Then I choose blue for flower pot, tracing and coloring inside. Tracing again and coloring inside. Tracing and coloring inside. And violet for this ribbon. Wow, what a wonderful sunflower! I like your drawing. I really enjoyed drawing with you. See you in the next lesson. Bye bye!